Hello everyone and welcome to another Add Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing SPM 2016 question number 16 from Form 5 Chapter 2 Linear Law short question. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. The variables x and y are related by the equation y equals to 2x squared minus q over x, where q is a constant. A straight line is obtained by plotting xy against x cubed as shown in diagram 16. So this is the diagram 16. So the question asks us to find the value of h and of q. So this is the overall question. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, a big thumbs up to you guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries, I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions. So without further delay, let us start to solve the question. The first step on what we need to do in order to solve this question is the equation given by the question, which is in the non-linear form, we need to change it into the linear form, and it must satisfy the axis given by the question. In this case, x, y and x cubed. How is that possible? Okay, let me show you in my working. So the question given that y is equals to 2x squared minus q over x. So in order to come up with the axis of xy versus x cubed, so what we're going to do here is we're going to times the whole equation by x. So when you times the whole equation by x, you should get xy is equals to 2x cubed minus q. Okay, so from here this equation we can relate in terms of straight line equation, or also known as y equals to mx plus c, as referred to this diagram over here. Okay, so this xy we can treat it as the y axis. So from here y will be equals to m, and this gradient m we can map it with the 2 over here. Okay, and then this x cubed we can treat as the x-axis, and this negative q we can treat it as the y-intercept. So from here this xy is equals to 2x cubed minus q. So we have already come up with a straight line equation form with reference to this diagram. So that will be your first step. So once you get that, so we can now do the comparison of this equation with reference to this diagram. So how are we going to do that? So we're going to start with the y-intercept. So in this equation your y-intercept is negative q, and from the diagram here your y-intercept is 3. So we can straight away do the comparison between negative q and 3 over here. Okay, let me write down the working here. Comparison so from here negative q will be equals to 3. So to get your q, what you do, so you divide with negative 1. So from here you will get your answer is negative 3. So your answer for q will be negative 3. So that will be your first solution. Okay, let me underline the solution. Okay, once you get the q, the next step what we can do is we can compare this gradient value that we obtained from the equation, and then we can calculate from the graph. So how to calculate from the graph? Okay, remember guys, the formula of gradient is y2 minus y1 divided with x2 minus x1. Okay, so from here 13 you minus with 3, which is representing the y2 minus y1, and then you divide with h minus 0. Okay, you should get equals to 2. Okay, let me underline the fraction. So from here you should get 10 over h is equals to 2. Okay, to get your h, what you do, 10 you divide with 2. So from here you should get your h is equals to 5. Okay, so this is your second solution. Okay, let me underline the solution now. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. And not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.